Kia everyone, I'm Rino and I'm a senior lecturer here at the School of Built Environment at Massey University. Today I'm here to introduce the new Master in Construction with major in Digital Built Environment. This is a new exciting offering that we just started this year in 2022, and the main features of this new Master is to give the student the possibility to be exposed to the new technology that can be applied in the construction industry. This course consists of two major papers. The first one is a paper in Advanced Building Information Modeling. In this paper, you're going to learn all you need to know in terms of principle and application of this new exciting technology that is becoming more and more popular in our construction industry. The second course is the course in Digital Technology Application in Construction. This course is going to give you an overview of all the exciting new digital technology that can be used in the construction industry. This technology includes, for instance, augmented reality, virtual reality, 3D scanning, Internet of Things, and many other technology, and we are going to give you the possibility to understand the principle, understand how those can be applied, what are the benefits, what are the limitations, and give you the right path to apply later on this technology in your current work. You can go through this master in a full-time mode or part-time mode in case you're already working in the industry. And we will give you the possibility to enroll using different pathways depending on what's your pre-existing education. In case you have, for instance, a bachelor in construction or in civil engineering. And there are other different pathways you can use to get through our master in digital built environment. This master will last at least 12 months in case you go through the full-time delivery. And towards the end of the master, you will have the exciting opportunity to apply all the information you have been learned through our new courses in an exciting research project. This master is delivered by 4 people. Me, Rino, and I'm gonna receive the help of my colleagues. We are gonna have Zenan, Daniel, and Marama. They are all looking forward to meet you in class and give you as much support and information that you need. If you have any question regarding our master, you can just use the information that you can see here displayed, or you can contact me using my email address, and I can't wait to see you in class and looking forward to have you as my student. Thank you so much and see you soon.